My name is Adrian Morris, and I'm 27 years old, and I live in Barcelona. I really like shooting in the street because you never know what's gonna happen. I like how everything's spontaneous. You don't know who you're gonna meet. Barcelona is an interesting city to take photos because there's amazing light, and the culture is super interesting. There's always some sort of event happening or some sort of interesting local thing going on. The lens is super nice to use. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light either. Handling and focusing and changing the aperture is super easy and really smooth. Yeah, the way the aperture works is super nice because you can feel when the aperture changes, and you don't have to look up from the camera, which is really handy when you're shooting in the street and you don't want to miss the moment. You can fit a lot more in the frame. You can really see the composition of all the elements in the photo and the different layers. And I think the only way to stay inspired for shooting photos in the street is by traveling or putting yourself in new surroundings, new environments, meeting new people. To stay inspired, I think that's important.